Moving day. Exciting, right? A new home, a fresh start. But then you look around. Boxes, furniture, chaos everywhere. That's where GreatMoving comes in, your trusted moving partner that turns stress into smiles. At GreatMoving, we believe moving shouldn't feel like hard work. Our expert team handles everything from careful packing and secure transport to safe, on-time delivery. We treat your belongings like our own, with care, precision, and respect. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, GreatMoving is with you every step of the way. No hidden fees, no surprises, just honest service and guaranteed satisfaction. So relax and leave the heavy lifting to us. Because at GreatMoving, we don't just move boxes, we move lives forward. GreatMoving, fast, reliable, stress-free. Visit GreatMoving.com or request a free quote now, 212-607-8272.